In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build HubSpot landing and website pages in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will simplify the process for you. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Click on this and then select the Google account you want to use for accessing HubSpot. This method is quick and secure, saving you from typing in your credentials manually. After you've logged in, look to the left panel of your dashboard and locate the Content option. Click on it and it will expand to show various content-related options. Now, click on Landing Pages. This is where you'll create a new landing page for your website. Once you're in the Landing Pages section, you'll find a Create button. Hit that button and you'll be prompted to select a starting point for your landing page. I recommend starting with a blank page, which gives you complete creative control. Select Blank Page and then click Use to begin customizing. Now, you're in the page editor where you can type in the title of your landing page. An engaging title is important. It's one of the first things your visitors will notice, so make it catchy and relevant. Next, you'll want to add sections to your landing page. Look for the Add Section button in the middle of the page. Click it to introduce new elements, such as text blocks, images, or forms, into your layout. Adding engaging elements can guide visitors' attention and encourage interaction. When you're satisfied with your page layout and content, remember to click the Save button located at the top right corner. This ensures that all your hard work isn't lost if you accidentally close the tab or encounter a browser crash. Once everything is saved, you're ready to publish. Hit the Publish button and follow through on any additional tasks required by HubSpot, such as setting an SEO-friendly URL or adjusting visibility settings. If you want to create a website page instead of a landing page, the process is quite similar. Go back to the Content section from the left panel, but this time click on Website Page. Just like before, there will be a Create button at the top right. Click it and follow the same guidelines we just covered for landing pages. And that's it. In a few easy steps, you've created a custom landing or website page on HubSpot. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different templates and configurations to see what works best for your needs. Thank you for watching and happy building.